Encountering the dreaded "the boot configuration data for your PC is missing or contains error" message on your Windows PC? Don't worry, our video has the solution you need. In this quick and easy to follow tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to repair and restore your boot configuration data. To fix the boot configuration data for your PC is missing or contains error. Step 1. Use Windows installation media. Insert a Windows installation USB or DVD. Step 2. Boot from installation media. Restart your PC and boot from the installation media. Step 3. Select language and keyboard. Choose your language and keyboard preferences. Step 4. Click Repair your computer. Select this option. Step 5. Troubleshoot. Go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Step 6. Command Prompt. Select Command Prompt. Step 7. Repair BCD. To repair BCD, type these following commands in Command Prompt. Step 8. Restart. After the commands complete, restart your PC. This process should repair the boot configuration data and allow your PC to boot normally.